You guys, this is hard. Hey you all, welcome back to my channel and to my super bad room. As you can see, my ceiling is messed up. My walls are super bad, but that is what we are here for. So I started off by clearing the whole room. Literally, I cleared everything from the room. At first I thought that I could work with the bed inside, but I wouldn't. So I'd advise you guys to like remove everything, like literally everything from the room you're working with. As you can see, I was trying to just put everything under the bed, but it did not work. So here's my wall, my very dirty wall, and God. First thing I did, I filled up the holes in my wall, and I used something called a filler. I think in every paint shop or hardware you can find it. It is very cheap to fill up all my holes in my room. It was like 50 bob worth of it, and you mix it with water and then you fill it up, like you fill up the holes, and then when it is dry you just scrub it off. Then I started to paint, and that was the first coat. I was just basically covering up the blue area of my wall because it was going to mess up with the color that I was going to use as my main color. As you can see, I cleared up everything and I lined because it was hard to work and it was very tiresome. But I was doing just fine after the first few like rolls of paint and everything. It started coming together. After I was done, I started painting my window, and I was using the same color, like the white color that I used as the coat, as the first coat. Yeah, and then I am sorry you guys if this video is everywhere, but here I am removing like that what was it called, the filler. It is dried up and you just use sandpaper to clear it so you can make it smooth and even. After I was done with that, I started painting my wall, and at first I thought the roller was going to do everything, but I really needed a brush, so I asked my brother to bring me this small brush, and he brought it, so I used it on the areas that I wouldn't get to, and then I started painting. You guys, I thought it was going to be very hard, but as I went on, it started becoming easier and better because the roller was doing so much work for me. Like I didn't have to do a lot. I wasn't even straining, and it was very simple. And one advice for you all, I'd advise you guys, if you wanna paint your room and you're doing it alone, start with the ceiling board, because I started with the walls, and when I was doing the ceiling board, the paint kept splashing onto my walls, which was not a good thing. But all in all, it just worked out fine for me, and I didn't have so much stress. This is not very stressful, but it is kind of hard. But anyway, after I was done like with one side of the wall, I really wanted to start with the other sides, because this main wall, I thought the paint wasn't going to be enough, and I thought I was going to put a wallpaper, but it was enough, and it was kind of tiring because I even used 2 days to do all this work. But anyway, it was worth the pain because my room looks good, y'all. Anyway, after I was done with the upper part of my wall, I went to the lower part of my wall. By this time, I was super good at this, and it was super easy. I wasn't even struggling. I was just painting, and it was just coming together so nicely. I was so excited. I was super excited. But anyway, second day is here. So hello guys, this is the second day, and I want to show you all how the room is looking after we painted the first coat, and yeah, I think it is very nice. Let me just show you. So here it is. That is the main wall. That was blue and white. Now it is all, I don't know what color that is. Look at that. So that part, I have decided that I am going to repeat, because if you look at that part and then you look at this part, you can clearly see the blue. So I am going to put another layer back there. Now I am so excited, you guys, but we have not even touched the ceiling because the paint was not enough, so we are going to do the ceiling today. So let us begin. So now I have just washed my roller, like the one that I'm using to paint, and my brush, and this thing that has really helped me. It is not very dry, but anyway, we have just washed them, and then I have washed them because I am turning from water-based paint to oil-based paint. I did not begin with this one because I knew that I did not have paraffin. So I am going to town later on in the day, so I am going to get some paraffin. So for now, we are beginning to paint the ceiling. At first, I really thought a brush was going to work, but I think the brush was so small, that's why it did not work. So I started using a roller instead. And as I had told you earlier, you guys, you have to paint your ceiling first because it was getting messy. And again, it's just easier that way because your wall is easier than the ceiling. You have to start with the harder one, going towards the easier one. And I'm sorry guys, I lost a few clips of me doing the ceiling, but anyway, this is the complete ceiling after I was done, and I was done by night. The whole room, I completed the whole room when it was already dark. And yeah, that is it. I am super excited, you guys, because I am done, and that table is messed up, but I am going to clean it up. So this is the room before, and you guys wait until you see when it is complete. There it is. There is the final look. I am super glad that I repainted my room, you guys. Just look at it. Isn't this this is just good work? You wouldn't even say it was me, but anyway, I am still trying to put together my things, but so far so good, and I am super excited, you guys. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I am super glad that I repainted my wall because it was bad. It was super bad, and you guys, you can do it. It's not hard. Imagine it's not hard. If you put your mind to it, you're gonna finish, and you're gonna do it, and you're gonna love it. So if you want to do something, just do it, because a journey of 1,000 miles starts with one step. So just start it. Start whatever you want to start. Begin that thing you wanted to do for so long. Do that one thing that you've always wanted to learn. Just learn and grow and be happy, okay? So thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye. I love you all.